Is Quran unscientific because it says lamps protect in the sky? The Quran, the holy book of Islam, is filled with verses that have been the subject of contemplation and study for centuries. Among its verses, there are those that touch upon scientific aspects of the universe, often in ways that are both profound and intriguing. One such verse is found in chapter 41, verse 12, in which Allah speaks of adorning the nearest heaven with lamps and as protection. This verse has captivated the curiosity of many, as it alludes to celestial objects and their role in safeguarding the universe. Understanding the Quranic verse. Let's delve into this Quranic verse. In this verse, the word used is masabiha, the plural form of misbah, which means lamp or light in classical Arabic. It is derived from the root sbh, a term that carries the meaning of glowing or shining. This choice of word is particularly remarkable, as it encompasses all phenomena in the observable universe that produce, reflect, or embody light. The beauty of celestial phenomena. The fascinating aspect of this verse is the all-encompassing nature of the term masabiha. It refers not only to stars, but also to various celestial phenomena that shine like stars in our night sky. These include planets, galaxies, and even distant nebulae, which emit or reflect light, collectively contributing to the awe-inspiring cosmic display that we witness. Protection. What does it mean? The verse intriguingly mentions these celestial objects as providing protection, but it doesn't specify what they protect. This leaves room for interpretation. On a grand scale, celestial bodies like our sun protect us from extinction. The sun, a colossal ball of burning gas, shields us from cosmic radiation, ensuring the habitability of our planet. Stars, in their own way, could be the protectors of life beyond Earth. We contemplate the possibility of alien civilizations residing in distant star systems, much like us. These stars may offer a similar protective role to their inhabitants, safeguarding them from cosmic threats. Moreover, the protection referred to in the Quran could extend to entities we have not yet observed, such as jinn and angels. These celestial lamps may serve as beacons of guidance, protection, or interaction for such alien beings. Gravity and cosmic harmony. When considering the idea of protection on a grand scale, one can't help but ponder the role of celestial objects in stabilizing the universe's gravity. Stars, with their immense gravitational forces, play a significant role in maintaining the cosmic balance. Their gravitational interactions help prevent chaotic scenarios in the universe, ensuring the steady motion of planets and other celestial bodies. The divine purpose. The concept of protection in the Quranic verse prompts us to reflect on the divine purpose behind the universe's design. While solar radiation may be harmful, Allah has determined the mechanisms that ensure our survival. This echoes the broader philosophical question of why humans, despite their imperfections, exist. In Islamic belief, everything has a purpose, and perfection is defined within the context of that purpose. In this context, the human body is designed for a specific purpose, to undergo the test of existence in this universe. This perspective underscores the idea that perfection is subjective and depends on the intended function. For example, we wouldn't criticize an F-16 fighter jet for its inability to carry 50 passengers because it was designed for a different role. Hey, are you still here? Don't forget to read the comment I left for you and follow me with notifications for latest videos.